All right, so addition and subtraction of matrices. Now, matrices of the same order may be added or subtracted by adding or subtracting corresponding elements. So the first thing here is that when you're adding matrices, you can only add matrices if they're of the same order. You can only add matrices if they're of the same order. And when you're adding two matrices, what you do is that you add corresponding elements. You add or subtract corresponding elements. The word corresponding there means in the same position. So you're going to add and subtract the elements which are in the same position. So example 1 says A is the matrix 1, 3, minus 2, minus 4. B is the matrix minus 5, minus 1, 4, 3. And C is the matrix 2, minus 3, minus 4, 1. We're to determine the matrix sum A plus B. All right, so we're adding the matrix A and B. This is A is 1, 3, minus 2, minus 4, plus B, which is minus 5, minus 1, 4, 3. So when we're adding now, what we do is we add corresponding elements, the elements which are in the same position. So this is 1 plus minus 5. 1 plus minus 5. But plus minus 5 is the same as saying minus 5. Plus minus 5 is the same as saying minus 5. You can say a positive times a negative is a negative. So this is 1 minus 5. 3, and over to the right, plus minus 1. Remember, you're adding the elements which are in the same position. So it's 3 plus minus 1. Now, plus minus 1 is just the same as saying minus 1. Then we have minus 2 plus 4. And we have minus 4 plus 3. So our final answer is going to be minus 4. All right, we're having space issue here. Our final answer is going to be minus 4, 2, 2 again, minus 1. It's going to be minus 4, 2, because 1 minus 5 is minus 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. Minus 2 plus 4 is 2. Minus 4 plus 3 is 1. So the answer is, or the answer for A plus B is minus 4, 2, 2, minus 1. So next we're going to do B plus A. So B is the matrix minus 5, minus 1, 4, 3. Plus A is 1, 3, minus 2, minus 4. So this is going to be minus 5 plus 1. Remember, matrices of the same order may be added or subtracted by adding or subtracting corresponding elements. Corresponding means that the elements are in the same position. So -1 plus 3. So those are the top right elements. We have 4 plus -2, which is the same as saying 4 minus 2. We have 3 plus -4, which is the same as saying 3 minus 4. And so our final answer is going to come out to be -4, 2, 2 minus 1. All right, because -5 plus 1 is -4. If the signs are different, subtract and keep the sign of the larger number. 3 minus 4 is -1. If the signs are different, subtract and keep the sign of the larger number. Now, what I want to point out to you is that A plus B and B plus A are equal. Here we go. A plus B and B plus A are equal. What that means is that because A plus B is equal to B plus A, I can say that the addition of matrices is commutative. So A plus B is equal to B plus A. So therefore, A plus B is equal to B plus A. Therefore, the addition of matrices is commutative. We dealt with commutative last class. When an operation is commutative, when you turn around the numbers and the answer comes out to be the same, we say that, when you change the order of the numbers and the answer comes out to be the same, we say that the operation is commutative. So for example, 4 times 3 is equal to 12, and 3 times 4 is equal to 12. I changed the order, but the answer came out to be the same. So I had A plus B first, then I had B plus A. I changed the order, but the answer came out to be the same. In such a situation, we say that the operation is commutative. Guys, next we're asked to do A plus B in bracket plus what C. The brackets are telling us that we must do A plus B first. Now, we already did A plus B, so we don't need to do it again. So A plus B, which is -4, 2, it's at the top, 2 minus 1. This is A plus B, now plus C. And C is 2 minus 3, 4, 1. So this is -4 plus 2, 2 plus -3, which is the same as saying 2 minus 3, 2 plus 4, and -1 plus 1. So the final answer here is -2, -1, 6, and 0. So A plus B in bracket, then A plus B plus C is equal to -2 minus 1, 6, 0. Ladies, Jadon, please do A plus B plus C. Guys, in order for you to do A plus B plus C, you must first add B and C together. And then whenever you add A and B together, you're going to add A plus the sum of B and C. So you have to do B plus C first, and whatever you get, you're going to add it to A. All right, so it's A plus B plus C. And as usual, type your answers in the chat. All right, so I have to make a correction to A plus B plus C because there was an error with C. The 4 should be negative, so it's going to make the answer incorrect. So let's just fix that, and then we can move on to the next one. So this is minus 4 plus 2. Remember, we're adding corresponding elements. And 2 plus minus 3, which is the same as saying 2 minus 3. 2 plus minus 4, which is the same as saying 2 minus 4. And minus 1 plus 1. So our final answer will be 4 minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So the answer for A plus B plus C is minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, 0. So let me do A plus B plus C. Now A plus B plus C in bracket means I must add B and C first before I can add to A. So let us do B plus C. So B plus C would be minus 5, 4, minus 1, 3, that's B, plus C, which is 2, minus 3, minus 4, 1. So we're doing B plus C first. So B plus C, this would be minus 5 plus 2. Remember, when you're adding two matrices, we add corresponding elements. This would be 4 plus minus 4, which is the same as saying 4 minus 4. Minus 1 plus minus 3, which is the same as saying minus 1 minus 3. And 3 plus 1. So the answer here is minus 3 minus 4, 0, 4. So this is B plus C. Now we're going to find what is A plus B plus C. Now A is the matrix 1, 3, minus 2, minus 4, that is A, plus B plus C, which is minus 3, minus 4, 0, 4. So let's add. This is 1 minus 3, 3 minus 4, minus 2 plus 0, minus 4 plus 4. And the final answer is minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, 0. All right, here's something to note. Please note that A plus B in brackets done first plus C is the same as saying A plus B plus C, and this is saying that the addition of matrices is associative. This is saying that the addition of matrices is associative. Here's what associative deals with the grouping. What do you do first? We're adding three matrices. In the first scenario, we'll first add A and B, and whatever we got, we add it to C. In scenario number 2, we first add B and B plus C, and whatever we got, we add it to A. But when we did that, the answer came out to be the same. If you have a situation like this, you say if an operation does this, we say that the operation is associative. Associative deals with grouping. We change up the grouping, but the answer came out to be the same. Guys, next I'm going to do A minus B. So A is the matrix 1, 3, minus 2, minus 4. This is A minus B, which is minus 5, minus 1, 4, 3. Ladies, gentlemen, now when someone says A minus B, remember, matrices of the same order may be added or subtracted by adding or subtracting corresponding elements. The word corresponding there means in the same position. So you're going to add the elements which are in the same position. You're going to subtract the elements which are in the same position. So this is the 1 minus minus 5, which is the same as saying 1 plus 5. Because minus minus is equal to a plus. You could say a negative times a negative is a positive. Then we have 3 minus minus 1, which is the same as saying 3 plus 1. Then we have minus 2 minus 4 and minus 4 minus 3. And so our final answer would come out to be 1 plus 5 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. Minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6. If the signs are the same, add and keep the sign. Minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7. If the signs are the same, add and keep the sign. Please do B minus A. All right, so let's just do B minus A. You're going to put the B first. This is minus 5, minus 1, 4, 3, that's B. Minus A, which is 1, 3, minus 2, minus 4. All right, so remember, matrices of the same order may be added or subtracted by adding or subtracting corresponding elements. You're going to subtract the elements which are in the same position. So top left, minus 5, minus 1, minus 1, minus 3, 4, minus minus 2, which is plus 2. Because a negative times a negative is a positive. And 3 minus minus 4, which is plus 4. And so our final answer is minus 6 minus 4, 6 7. So if you look at both of them, you'll see that they're not equal. A minus B and B minus A are not equal. So A minus B therefore subtraction of matrices is not commutative. I changed the order and the answer came out different. Therefore, the operation, which is the subtraction of matrices, is not commutative.